Hey there everybody, what is going on? In today's video we are going to be looking at how to do this. We are going to be looking at how do we go ahead and do some fonting with tags on HTML for text like this. So let's get right into today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video, as I said, we are going to be learning some fonting. We're going to be adding fonts to this paragraph that I got from Wikipedia. That is the definition of HTML. So let's add some fonts to it and make it look more attractive. So first of all, we're going to be learning all these fonts that I put in comments over here. So we're going to be learning bold, italic, strong, code, and underline. So first thing you need to be focused on is that don't get confused between bold and strong, because they both are the same thing. Let's look at an example over here. So there's hypertext over here. I'm going to make it bold, and the tag for bold is B. So I'm going to add this B over here. We're going to do this for hypertext, and going to close the tag. And over here I'm going to be adding strong, like that. And I'm going to close the strong tag over here in markup, like that. And same, I'm going to be doing this hypertext in markup, this both, and also here I'm going to be doing just a bold tag again, to know that there's no difference between. Okay, so now we are done with the bold and strong. Let's save the page, go to Google, open the web page, and refresh it and check. All of them are hypertext markup language are bolded up, and this is highlighted from all the other rest of the paragraph. So that already makes the paragraph a bit attractive. So hypertext markup language, or HTML. So this hypertext markup language is looking exactly the same, so though I use different tags, the strong and the bold tag. So to remember, they both are the same thing. Now let's move on to italic. So here I got this document. Imagine I want to make this italic, so I'm going to go over here and type in the italic tag, and that is nothing else than the I tag. So I'm going to put I over here, and I'm going to close it over here, and we have documents in italic. So now I'm going to be saving the file, going to Google and reloading it, and what do you see? You can see over here that documents over here is actually italic. So that's how you make a font italic. So now let's say that you want to make a paragraph italic and bold or strong at the same time. So what do? Just simple. Imagine you want to make this JavaScript over here italic and strong. So first we're going to put the bold tag or the strong tag like that, and we're going to go over here and close the tag. We'll go over here and we are going to close the bold tag, and inside we're going to be doing italic tag like that, and we're going to close the italic tag over here in the other side. And now we have JavaScript. It should be italic and bold at the same time. So let's just go over here, refresh it, and if you can see, JavaScript is italic and bold at the same time. And let's move on. Let's go for some code, and last we'll do underline. So code. Let's go with an interesting word. We'll go with the best word in the whole world, HTML. So we'll go with there, and the code tag is simple. It's simply CODE. type HTML because it was HTML over here. We are gonna close the code tag like that, and if we save it, it should be in a very techy nerdy form. So over here, and HTML over here, it's more techy than usual. It becomes into a code format, and that is the code. Now let's move on and let's go to the last one, that is underline. So imagine I want to underline technologies. It's nothing else but the starting level of underline, that is the U tag. So we're gonna do a U tag over here. So just type in U tag, and we're gonna close the U tag over here. So this now, the technologies, after we save it, it should be saved, and here if we reload it, technologies should be underlined like this. So these are some basic tags that you need to learn to make a decent web page, or decent article in a web page, I should say, because these are some important things that you need to be learning if you're learning HTML, and these are some examples. And I hope you enjoyed this video today I made over here, and I'm trying to upload frequently in the channel. So it will be amazing for a small YouTuber like me, for a small creator like me, if you would smash the like button and click the subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me. I hope this was useful, and if you do learn something, as I told, smash the like button. And that's it for me. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.